The World Bank-funded Ecosystem Services Improvement Project (ESIP) supports the goals of the Green India Mission by demonstrating models for adaptation-based mitigation through sustainable land and ecosystem management and livelihood benefits. Main components of the ESIP are strengthening capacity of government institutions in forestry and land management programs, improving forest quality, and scaling up of sustainable land and ecosystem management best practices in the GIM landscapes of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education is one of the project implementing agencies of ESIP and mainly responsible for scaling up of sustainable land and ecosystem management practices for addressing the land degradation issues and improving the ecosystem services in the project areas. About 72% rural population in the state of Madhya Pradesh and about 76% rural population in the state of Chhattisgarh depend on agriculture and natural resources for sustenance. Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education conducted the socio-economic surveys in the project areas of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh during the year 2018 for preparation of baseline reports on socio-economic status. As per the baseline reports, local communities of the project areas were mainly depending on fuel wood as a primary source of energy for cooking and heating. Local communities of the project areas were mainly using traditional three-stone chulha. Traditional chulha consume more fuel wood and emit significant amount of carbon causing health issues. On an average 15 to 20 kilograms of fuel wood was collected for daily use by each household from the nearby forest areas. Maximum distance travelled by the local communities for fuel wood collection in the forest areas varies from 2 to 5 kilometers, and time spent varies from 5 to 8 hours depending upon the availability of fuel wood in forests. Women play major role in fuel wood collection in the states of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and their maximum time is consumed in fuel wood collection. Fuel wood collection is one of the major drivers of forest degradation in the project areas. Furthermore, the open fires and traditional chulhas consume more fuel woods and release significant amount of carbon and causes respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Therefore, in consultation with the local communities, it was decided to distribute improved cook stoves in the project areas for addressing this driver of land degradation and to improve the ecosystem services. Icfre has distributed a total of 13,096 improved cook stoves comprises of 8,854 improved cook stoves to the local communities of project areas of Chhattisgarh and 40 to 45 improved cook stoves to the local communities of project areas of Madhya Pradesh. Improved cook stoves distributed to the local communities met all the standards prescribed by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. Improved cook stoves are more energy and thermal efficient and consume less fuel wood and emit less carbon than the traditional chulha. Technical know-how was also provided in the trainings to the local communities on usage of improved cook stoves. Distribution of improved cook stoves benefited about 39,000 direct beneficiaries of the project areas. Uses of improved cook stoves are providing the multiple benefits to the local communities of the project areas and contributing in improvement of the ecosystem services through addressing the forest degradation. As per the data recorded from the project areas, fuel wood consumption has been drastically reduced to about 50 to 60% after using improved cook stoves by the local communities. India is the first country to include lifestyle for environment in its nationally determined contributions and propagate a healthy and sustainable way of living based on its traditions and the values of conservation and moderation, including through a mass movement for life as a key to combating climate change. Scaling up of improved cook stoves is supporting the LIFE mission. Uses of improved cook stoves in the project areas will contribute in achieving the nationally determined contribution targets under the Paris Agreement and Sustainable Development Goals, such as SDG 1, No Poverty, SDG 3, good health and well-being. SDG 5 Gender Equality. SDG 7 Affordable and Clean Energy. SDG 8 Decent Work and Economic Growth. SDG 13 Climate Action and SDG 15 Life on Land. Providing improved cook stoves to the local communities of the forest fringe villages of the country will be helpful in addressing the forest degradation issue and improving the ecosystem services provided by the forest ecosystem.